Good morning and welcome to another episode of Culterra's products. Today we're going to discuss potting soil, and I'm going to pot this guy into that pot. All right. So potting soil is a well-draining medium. It also contains a good amount of organic matter and nutrients, and it's nice because it can be used directly. So you don't need to add anything to your potting soil before planting in it. It can be used for pots outdoors or indoors or patio plants. It's a really versatile mixture and it's perfect for what I would like to do today. So this guy is not looking so spectacular. He's kind of outgrown his bag. He's falling over. Got quite a lot of dead leaves here, dead matter, but I think it's going to look quite elegant once we transfer it to this pot. Let's get started. I'm just going to move my pot over here a little bit closer. You can use a pot like this just to transfer your medium. Right, that should do. Got a good amount of potting soil in there. Just going to open up this rest here. Gently turn him over. Alright, that looks much better already. Then you just want to take your potting soil and top up all around. Perfect. Just going to hold these leaves up. Apply some gentle pressure all around. And there we have it. That looks much better. I'm going to give him more water. I think this guy is going to be so much happier in this pot. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Culterra Products.